Alright, I'm going to be installing the SB tactical brace on my Mossberg Shockwave. The gun is unloaded. First step is to remove this little plug at the end. I'm just use a flathead to pop that out. And there is a hex screw. I doubt you guys will be able to see it in there. I'm not sure what size, but just this flathead screwdriver will work also. I'm gonna get it in there, loosen that up. All right, there we go. Won't need this anymore. Set that to the side, and I got my brace from Optics Planet. It comes with all the mounting hardware, instructions. Comes with the ergo grip, the adapter and screws, instructions, and the brace itself. And also a sticker. Yes, a sticker. Alright, set that to the side. I'm going to grab the adapter and a proper mounting screw. So you see this pairs up with the end of the shotgun itself. Insert the screw in here. Sorry, I have a bad camera angle for this. But the screw just falls into the hole. Take the flathead, we'll try to wiggle it in. There we go. There we go, we got the adapter installed. I'm gonna go on and install the pistol grip now. Alright, I got the screw undone. I'm gonna install the pistol grip now. Alright, I got the pistol grip installed. This does say it's an ergo grip, but this feels a lot cheaper, not as good quality as the ergo grips I've bought for my AR-15s. Does not have the same kind of texture to it. But the next step is to install the pistol brace tube, the buffer tube. It also has a little locking screw right here to make sure this doesn't come undone. So we're going to install this. Alright, that's as far as it goes, hand tight. I'm going to use my AR-15 tool to tighten it down a little bit more. Alright, and then this Allen key was included. Use that to tighten up this screw down here. Alright, just be careful tightening this. I think I stripped the threads on this already. I can just twist it as many times as I want without much resistance, so I just torque this down a little bit harder. But after that, you can go on and install the brace if you already didn't take it off. And now have a very easier to shoot shotgun. This is just the first step of my customization of my Shockwave. Probably change the pistol grip out. I got a Magpul 4 incoming. I like it so far. I'm gonna do it upright and see where its place belongs in my collection.